Hey y'all, it's Natalie. I'm here with an unboxing from a cherry on top. My package took a detour. It came all the way from Michigan to Nashville and Tennessee, and then it left again and it went to Chicago, and then it went a roundabout and came back to Tennessee, and then we were out of town and our mail was hailed, and so it just arrived, which was a bummer because it had some stamps I wanted to use before we left to get in the mood for a trip. But anyway, obviously I'm going to use them for scrapping. So I'm just glad to have it. But didn't even get to use it for my project that's going to post later this week. But I'll get to use it for the next one, so no worries. But I want to show you what I got because I'm super excited about it. And I kind of forgot a little bit of it, but I'm remembering now and it's fine. So our theme for like Technique Tuesdays this month is watercolors. And so I decided that it was time to make the leap and try Brutus Monroe. I've been threatening to try them for so long and I never have because I have a lot of mixed media supplies. But Sarah is obsessed with Brutus Monroe. She uses them all the time, my friend Sarah. And I watch her use them all. It's like, oh, they're so vibrant and gorgeous. And so I finally was like, yes, let's do it. So I got a few of those. I got violet and blue-green and blue. So, you know, like a little bit of a galaxy color. These are just like the colors that I tend to gravitate towards when I am creating backgrounds, and also because I can mix them and I think they'll look really pretty. So I'm going to try those and I'm really excited. So these are the Aqua Pigments, and they're very, very pigmented. And then, of course, you can add as much water as you want to dilute them and make them less pigmented, or use them pretty straight on and have them really bright. So I said we had our mail held because we were out of town. We went to Las Vegas. Well, we went to Death Valley, which was gorgeous and amazing. Then we went to Las Vegas, and honestly, I could be fine to never visit the Strip again. Besides going to shows, we did a show and it was amazing. But I bought these with thinking like I was going to take a ton of pictures in Vegas, which I did take a lot of pictures, but not as many as I probably thought. But obviously, well, we had our kids with us, so I wasn't like gambling or anything. But I still think that we could do a lot of fun things with these, even though we literally did not take one picture at like a slot machine or anything. But these are from Honeybee Stamps, and I think they'd be really fun to use in non-traditional colors. Also, though, we went to a magic show. We saw Shin Lim, and it was awesome. And on each seat, he left us a pack of cards that was used for like a trick that he did. And so obviously these will be perfect to scrap like that. And it'll be really fun. And I like these little stars too. Super cute. And then they came with these. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. It's late. I got the dies, the matching dies to go with these. So you get the dies for the little stars, I think. And then you have your these cards, and then you have the regular cards. And then that's the words, I think. Lucky you. And the dice. And I like the die a lot too, because I think you can use this for a lot of different things. One of them have hearts on them too. So I always love a good die set with the stamp set. We'll talk about that in a moment. I knew we were going to Death Valley, and that it's a dark sky park, and that we would be trying to look at a lot of stars, and we saw a lot of sunsets and everything. We saw sunrise too. But I love the Starlight collection by 49 Market, but a lot of it is not really something that I feel like I can use. There's some angels in there that I don't really know about, but I think that these rub-on transfers are going to be really beautiful for our stargazing photos and just some of the ethereal, really cool photos. So Death Valley is where they filmed a lot of some of the older Star Wars movies, and you can just feel the vibe when you're there. Not a super big Star Wars fan personally, but like I said, you feel the vibe, and so these will kind of match with that. A lot of fun sentiments as well, but I love the moons. I love all of the little just like dainty ethereal celestial things. You have a moon. I think that this will make some really beautiful mixed media backgrounds with my new Aqua Pigments. This was just something that I saw that was new, and I'm like super into bows. I just got a new bow shirt. So I think it's fun. I think it's a cut apart sheet from Uniquely Creative, and I think it'd be fun to play with those bows. What else is it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I thought that this would be so fun. So I kind of like got it for Vegas, and then I probably, thinking back, I probably don't have a lot. Although we did go to a really fun Mexican restaurant that was like pink themed, and the chips were pink, and it was so cute. And I just kept being like, "Hey Barbie, hey Barbie." So this would be really fun to document that. But I just think it's really on trend right now, and it's just something that I would really enjoy using, even outside of like our recent vacation photos. Please excuse the noise. I was going to just get a few individual pieces, but I ended up really liking everything. I like the stickers and everything. So this is from Reminisce, and it is called Cowgirl Party. So I think like if you're thinking it's like a birthday theme, so like if you have a person who loves a good on theme, trendy party theme, this is good. Also for a bachelorette party. Again, I live in Nashville. We are reluctantly, I think, like a bachelorette headquarters. I have been to one bachelorette party downtown. It was a long time ago. But again, not really something I do. But I am teaching at a Nashville craft retreat in May, and one day we're supposed to all wear boots and stuff, and I think that will be really fun to use these for. So shout out to the Nashville Craft Retreat. I'm really excited about that, and just like on trend, like I said, super fun. Like it kind of matches like a Christmas tree theme that I had going on this Christmas in my craft room. So I really think it's fun, and a lot of, like I say, hey y'all all the time. I think it'll be really fun to use these. Oh, and my 40th birthday is coming up. I think we could definitely get some pictures to use this with that. All my friends and I are going out of town on vacation. It's going to be really fun. So I think I have a lot of opportunities to use these. I love the sticker sheet. And then you have like the pink kerchief paper. And you have a cut apart, which is pretty similar to the sticker sheet. And so you get 2 of each. And it's a really nice paper. We have a yeehaw. And we have our smiley and our lightning. I have a howdy, and we have boots, and we have a nice cow print, and we have more boots with some of the brown that matches the cow. It says Cowgirl Party, and let's see what else. That's just the cover sheet. Okay, that's it. Okay, yeah, I'm crazy. Look at this. It's been a long day. First day back to work after vacation, which was not a relaxing vacation. To be fair, I don't really know how to relax on vacation. Oh, we'll look at this in a minute. It's not really that exciting. I got it to go with this. So this is the new photo play collection by, it's called This Happy Life, and it's photo play by Michelle Coleman. I just really love the colors. I love the vibe, and I just think I can see myself using it a lot. So I just got the whole collection pack. I've really been loving all the new releases from Photo Play. Some of them are very specific. Like they have a whole pickleball collection. We like pickleball. Excuse me. We don't always like take that many photos, but I just got the sticker sheet because it was like, yes, I can use the sticker sheet and document the few photos that we do have, and then we can go from there. I don't need the whole collection. So this again is called This Happy Life, and it's photo play. So here's your cut apart sheet, and so it's kind of just like a everyday kind of thing, like your life is happy, right? And so just like documenting everyday things. I also think it's really fun because even though I haven't posted a lot of videos, I am still doing the 52 favorites. They go up every Mondays. Not today, sorry. I have one in the archives. It's waiting to go up. But I'm doing my 52 favorites, so these will be fun to document some of those, just everyday happy little moments, right? A lovely little like foliage orange paper, and so you get 2 of each. And I love the stripe and all the bright colors. And then a nice little pink floral. And then you got guest checks, like at our restaurant, which are super fun. We did eat at some diners out west, super fun. A nice blue. I love that little plaid, it's super cute. Love the hearts. Those are super cute too. Everything's super cute tonight. We got some nice florals. Oh, I love green. Green is one of my faves. Another floral. That one's really beautiful. And then a nice yellow. So really good A and B sides, like coordinating. And then we have stickers. So these are different for photo play. These are matte. I do feel like all the other photo play stickers that I have are shiny. So these are just different. There's nothing wrong with it. I like it, I think. It does give it a different vibe. I like these. These are fun. And I like that they're small, not too big. I really appreciate that. And so there's a lot of things on here. And there's also a lot of icons. I don't like when there's too many words, so your eye doesn't know where to rest. So I feel like there's enough icons and things. I really like that little banner. And so this goes with it. It's just a cardstock pack that matches. I really like their basic cardstocks. And they usually have some like specialty papers in there. So these just all match. So we have like a nice textured spearmint is what the package says. And then a dot, which I love. It's called California Poppy. And this is called Deep Indigo. It is another one that's like textured. And we have a glimmer. So it's like a shiny. It doesn't show shiny on this side. It's textured and shiny. It's like a little silver dusty. And this one's called Frosty Pink. And so it will go really nicely with that photo play collection. I think that would be really fun to document a lot of things coming up in the spring. And then the other thing I got is the Catherine Pooler These Boots dies. So they were out of the stamp set. And I was like bumming. And then my friend Jessica was like, I mean, you could totally use some of those without even getting the stamp set. So I'm waiting for the stamp set to come back in stock. I did this with one of the Catherine Pooler sets, the Nutcracker set that sold out in December. And it did come back in stock, which was really nice. And so I'm just being patient, but I went ahead and got the dies because I had them. But obviously they're boots, so they match this other Reminisce collection that I had, the Cowgirl Party. But Jessica's not wrong. Like, you could totally cut out the boots, different colors. I'm thinking rainbow boots, right? Even the hat you could kind of do. But I will plan on getting the stamp when it comes back in stock. So that is my a cherry on top order this month. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's very girly of me. I don't shy away from sparkles and pink on my boy pages for sure, but this one is like uber girly. But I'm excited about it, and I did take about I don't even know, like 1,600 photos or something insane on our trip. So we're gonna have to work this out. I've got to figure out what size album. I'm thinking 6x8. It might be a double album. I don't know. But I just really love travel albums in a small size. Anyway, I'm rambling. Cheers to you. Night, guys.